Hi, it's Erin here from Birds Renovations. Now, one of the questions we always get asked is what colour should I paint my ceiling? Should I paint it the same colour as my walls or a different colour? Well, the truth is there are no rules, but what we usually go with is painting our ceiling the same colour as our cornice and our walls. However, the only time when we will differ from that is if we have a really strong statement colour on a wall. We will always go with a white ceiling. Now in this space, the walls were previously a really dark, dingy blue colour. We really needed to use paint to lighten and brighten the space. So Bond chose a beautiful, warm tonal colour by Dulux called Clay Pipe. And we've used the colour on every surface you can see, from the ceiling through to the cornice and the walls, all the way down to the skirting boards. Even though we have used the same colour on all these surfaces, we certainly haven't used the same type of paint. The important thing for you to know is that Dulux ceiling paint is formulated differently to what you put on your walls. It has a flat finish which will help hide surface imperfections. And if you're updating your kitchen or bathrooms, Dulux have a special ceiling paint that is designed just for these spaces. For added protection of your home, it has a 10-year guarantee against mould growth. Now just remember, the lighting you choose can have a really big impact on the way your ceiling colour appears to the naked eye. So make sure you test it under the lighting you're planning on using. We chose a warm light in here to accentuate the beautiful warm tonal colour we've chosen. So guys, the colour you choose for your ceiling can have a big difference on the whole look and feel in your home. For more information, head to the Dulux website.